Hi, I'm Charlotte. Today on Maker's Moments, we're going to show you how to properly trim a wooden wick candle so that it burns beautifully. Not trimming the wick correctly is one of the most common occurrences that makers experience, which cause candles not to function properly or cause them to not even light at all. It's important to trim wooden wicks before burning, because when there's too much wood material between the flame and the wax, you run the risk of the candle not being able to light or it self-extinguishing shortly after being lit. Trimming a wooden wick is extremely easy to do, and you can do it after your candle has completely cooled. Here's what you'll need. Wick trimmers. We don't recommend scissors, as they're often not sharp enough to make a clean cut and easy to damage the surface of your wax if you use them after your candle's been poured. A wooden wick candle, and a ruler. After your candle has completely cooled, we suggest letting the candle set for a full 24 hours. You can use a ruler to measure where the wick meets the edge of your wax. You want to allow for 0.02 inches or 5 millimeters if you use metric. Using your wick trimmers, gently clip the wick. Now you're ready to light your candles. Continue to trim your wick in between burns to avoid any sooting and remove the burnt bits of wood from the top of your wick. You can easily pinch these off with your fingertips and only touch the candle when it has completely cooled. Ready to put your newfound knowledge into practice? What do you use to trim your wicks and why? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay in the know on all the latest makers tips and tricks. See you next time on Makers Moments. Happy making!